Hello and welcome to this video on writing an algebraic expression from words. Okay, so I recommend you would pause this video and attempt all of these questions before watching what I have to say. First question, write expressions for the following. 5 times the sum of a number and 8. 5 times the sum of a number and 8. The sum means add. So we're just going to call this number x. Anywhere you see a number, just put x. So x plus 8. 5 times all of that. So that you must include brackets. All right? Important. 8 times the sum of twice a number and 5. Let's just look at what the sum of twice a number and 5 is, because we're applying 8 to all of that. The sum of twice a number means times 2. And then the sum means we're plussing on 5. And then just check it out. Makes sense. Can take a little bit to get your head around these expressions that contain brackets, all right? But you've got this. Write expressions for the following. A number is doubled. So wherever you see a number, just think x. So a number is doubled. Then 6 is added, plus 6. The result is tripled. The result means put that number in brackets. All of that is being tripled. We're timesing it by 3. And then I could rewrite that as 3 times 2x plus 6 because we don't write the algebra with a multiply sign. Next one. Twice the sum of 5 times a number and 8. Now that is a big mouthful. Let's just look at, I'm going to put this in brackets, right? Because we're timesing all of this bit. The sum of means add. 5 times a number. 5 times a number. And 8. So we're just... So remember to apply that twice, the 2 times, to all of this expression. And let's keep going. A number, let's call that number x, has 3 subtracted from it. And the result, again that word, the result, is doubled. Okay, and we can rewrite with that, the 2 at the front. All right, we've got it. 2 is subtracted from, that should say from, 1/3 of a number. Now where it says 2 is subtracted from, that means you're taking away 2 from this number here. You can't write 2 take a number because 2 is being taken away. It needs to have the negative out the front. 2 is subtracted from 1/3 of a number. 1/3 of a number. So 1/3 of x. And the result means put brackets around whatever you've just written. Tripled. So I write my x's like this now, just so they're not confused with multiplication signs. All right, let's make it a bit simpler by not writing on all these multiplication signs. So I'm going to put my 3 out the front so it looks a bit easier to read. 1/3, I'm going to get rid of that. That's just x, right? Take 2. And you can also write it as 1/3 of x is the same as x on 3. So it just depends what you like to write it as. So let's check it out. This is a little summary. Write an algebraic expression. So twice or double means times 2. Triple means times 3. If you got from, you switch the numbers and subtract. So say if you had like, what can we say? 8 is taken from a number. Instead, like wherever I see that, I am going to make sure that I write x take 8 and not 8 take x. That's important because 8's being taken away from whatever this is. So that's a really important note. From means switch the numbers and subtract. The result means put the previous expression in brackets. Okay, and that's about all I have to say. I'll see you in the next video.